Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today I'm going to show you how to log into DocuSign before starting. DocuSign is an American company headquartered in San Francisco, California. It allows organizations to manage electronic agreements. As a part of the DocuSign Agreement Cloud, DocuSign offers e-signature, a way to sign electronically on different devices. To log into DocuSign, go to your web browser. As soon as you do that, type in www.docusign.com and hit enter on your keyboard. You'll soon reach the official website of DocuSign. To log into DocuSign, click on the Login button, located at the upper right corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your email address and click on the Continue button if you don't have an account yet. Sign up for a new account by clicking on Sign Up free of charge. After entering your email, click on the Continue button, and on the next page enter the password for your DocuSign account. In case you forgot the password and can't seem to remember it, click on Forgot Password, and follow the instructions in order to reset your password to a new one. What you'll need to do is simply go to the email address you just entered, and you'll be sent a verification code on your email. Simply copy the code and paste it back right here and confirm in order to reset your password for DocuSign. After entering the password correct, click on the Login button and you'll be signed into your DocuSign account in no time. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.